Alright, hey, this is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got one from Serbia. Yeah. This is Wai Wai vegetable flavor. For those of you who like flavors, this one has the flavor of vegetable. So how you doing today? I found some weird stuff while I was out this morning. Somebody put, like, you know those candy marshmallow deals, Peeps? Yeah, a lot of like boxes and boxes of those. And it said, "Happy Easter, have some Peeps." It's like, there's a guy who, like, I don't know if he does it late at night or early in the morning or what his deal is. If he does it early in the morning, he's doing it before I get out. And I got out like at 4. So this guy keeps even crazier hours than I do. But he plasters religious paraphernalia all over the light poles. Fascinating individual. I guess he likes to go by the Bible guy. Hey, thank you, sir. Here, why don't you enjoy your... Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Where'd it go? Here is your fruity snack. You're welcome. You having a good day? Good. Miles is having a good day, ladies and gentlemen. And why shouldn't he? He is the best kid in the universe. I'm gonna put in this chili powder too. Because it's a vegetable. Alright. So let's do that. Watch. Where's the line? I'm not pouring it that tall. No way. No way that's the line. There's not enough flavor for it to be the line. I pulled it all the way up to the line. I did what it said. Unless it's on the outside, I just totally screwed it up. I don't see a line on the outside, so I did what it told me to do. Go to the line, right? Did you wash your hands? Wash your hands. Thank you. Alright, so now it's time for us to set the timer. I'm really out of it today. This and the next 2 episodes are going to be kind of strange because I fell asleep on the couch, and my wife did too. She always falls asleep on the couch. But we fell asleep on the couch, and then I like woke up like 3 hours later, and it was like already time to go walking, and I'm like, I got that funny feeling like I haven't got enough sleep. Anyways, quote of the day, Momofuku Ando's book, all quotes from him. Number 198. I think of the company as being a kind of college of life. I want everyone to learn through their work how they should live as human beings. Wow. Welcome to Burger King. How may I take your order? May I take your order? Are you recording? You better be, yeah. It's funny, this interface between this camera and this thing, it's kind of weird. I don't always see eye to eye with it. Do you always see eye to eye with it, Miles? No? Yeah! Here's your beverage, and since you're doing such a good job, Miles' teachers were saying nice things today. They were. Proud of you, buddy. I want a rock! That's right. But yeah, there was like Peeps on a thing. I thought they were books because I've seen people leave like stacks of books at bus stops before. And then there was like a big thing of pub mix, like sweet and salty pub mix. Just like the can sitting in the weirdest spot with the lid on it. I'm thinking like, I don't know. It's like it's a big enough can that somebody could have caught a squirrel and put it in it, or a rat, or who God only knows what was in there. But when I looked at it, it kind of looked like, you know, that might just be unopened and somebody just left the rad thing of pub mix there. And I was thinking like, I do like snacks, but no. I mean, my wife thinks it's bad enough that I pick up stuff on the trail and bring it home. She's like, why you do that? Like this. This was on the trail. It's a little piece of metal. It goes. Yeah. Sharp ends too. Yeah. It makes a nice noise. But I don't know. I feel like I go walking on the main drag all the time, and it feels like I'm in a Nintendo game. I feel like I'm like living a side scroller. So I'll find like somebody lost a biking glove. It's a pretty fancy one too. But somebody lost one, I picked it up, and I've got this little bag full of like weird stuff that I found. But it's like a key item, you know, from like an old Nintendo game. It's the glove of holding. With this glove, you can throw boulders. All right. I feel like I added too much water. That's how I personally feel about this. I guess we'll see if it's super duper bland, but it doesn't look like it's gonna be super duper bland. It's like, this is one of those cup noodles where I'm like, this is like, I don't know. Oh, come on. Punishment ramen. Oh, you didn't. You didn't. You did? You did that? You really did that? That's it. You only get to eat the punishment ramen. I don't want to eat the punishment ramen. But I'm serious. It's just like not good. It's not fun. It's not funny. It's from Serbia. But it's really not like good. Personally. I mean, I'm sure there's people who absolutely love this stuff. But I'm not a... You're never gonna find me to be a heavy user of this stuff. No. It's vegetable flavor. It tastes nothing like any vegetable I've ever had. Or vegetable for that matter. So let's do what must be done. It's hot. It's hot. It's burning me. Ah, crikey. Well, I'm not going to spend too much time with this because we've got 25 minutes until Mimi has school. And I got 3 ready, but I don't think I'm going to be able to get through 3. The one tomorrow is going to be Okinawa soba. So check your local listings. Actually, if you're seeing this on YouTube, you will see it the same time this debuted, which was at 2 p.m. Pacific time, unless we've had spring forward, fall back, and then it'll be like an hour later, an hour earlier. I don't know, an hour or something. But yeah, let me throw a little bit of this. A little bit of this. There. Just not like thrilled Not a thrilling one. We'll give this a second of rotato time. This is how much I like it. Oh, it's not even... Oh, thank you, Miles.
Oh, yeah.
Rock and roll. Anyways, yeah, not too thrilled with it. Nothing to write home about. So yeah. Wow. Yeah, that's, I don't like how this fisheye does that. Jeepers. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles. Hey, go like, subscribe, eat things, do stuff, and yeah, Myojo Okinawa Soba tomorrow. Bye-bye.